What is goddess glow up? All right. And we can do warrior glow up also, Mr. Warriors. Calling in all my men. Where are you? Hi, I'm Johnna. Welcome to Soul Sessions, clearing your life path so that you can feel vibrant, happy, healthy, and alive and energized and be able to manifest your heart's desires with ease, grace, joy, and glory. So what is Goddess Glow Up? So Goddess Glow Up is something that I do every time I do a healing session for someone or teach a class. And so I wanted to share it with you because most people don't know what it is. So our body is actually the densest part of who we are, right? The body is, we call it matter, but the body is still made of energy and of space. Just like the scientist says that the chair you're sitting in or the wall is actually made of space. It's atoms and molecules, right? We think that it's solid. So we think that the body is solid, at the bones and the muscles and the organs and the systems. We think that they're solid systems, and they are, but they're energetic systems. And we also have an aura, an auric field, etheric fields, light bodies, energetic systems. We have chakra systems, nadis, halos, and many other energetic systems as well. Each of our body parts, like say for instance, the liver or the heart, there's an energetic heart, there's an energetic liver, there's an energetic arm, right? And so the body is an energetic system. So when I'm doing healings for you or teaching classes, I help you uncreate and reverse the aging process. So I go through your hormones, pituitary glands, adrenal glands, and upgrade will actually release and clear out old things that are causing aging and reverse it, uncreate the aging process, and rejuvenate and restore and upgrade your frequencies in each and every one of these systems and all of your systems to create vitality, to create energy. So I've just been teaching some classes called the 33-day Art of Receiving, How to Become Unfuckable With. And I have a new class that's just opening. There's a few spots left, so I'm inviting you to check it out because it's really important. If you feel stuck in manifesting something or you don't feel healthy, all the girls in the class, when we first started, I asked them how they were all feeling. And to my surprise, none of them are sleeping very well. Their digestion wasn't working very well. They were overwhelmed, fatigued, and just not feeling overall happy and healthy. Well, they started to feel better, honestly, within like a week. Within the first night, every single one of them slept better than they'd slept in a very, very, very long time. So they've been continuing the class. We've been doing 3 months now. It started out to be just a 33-day, and they've done 3 months. I think this will be their 4th month. Almost every single person is staying in the class. Someone who's traveling a lot isn't going to be joining, but everybody else is joining or staying in the class because it is so life-changing. It's really wonderful. And I love seeing people be able to release and let go of worn out ways of being and worn out habits and improve the way that you feel so you can feel happy and confident and take up space and just feel good and be a powerful creator that you are here to be, the powerful creator here to create anything. And sometimes we get low frequencies and stuff from other lifetimes can come up and it can block us or just, challenge us. But so when we're clear and we go through all of your bodies and we move the low frequencies out and the patterns and the pictures and the movies, oh, here's the deal. We want to move it out of the physical body, but also the mental body, emotional bodies, your auric field, etheric field, light bodies, your soul personality memory bank, and the field of your relationships and your containers as well. So if you're only doing, say, for instance, a somatic experiencing or some type of physical practice, and you're not moving out the emotions or the traumas or the patterns from all the places that I've just mentioned, you're only basically doing, I would say, less than 1% of what is available for you in your healing. So if you want to make a dynamic change in your life and the way that you feel, you want to look and clear and heal all of these things, even the spaces in between. And again, the fields of your relationships. And it will change everything, the way that you feel. So Goddess Glow Up, I do what we call reversing the aging process, and we activate lights and crystals and upgrade your systems, and we work on your hair, your skin, your eyes, your nails, your organs, your systems. So I wanted to share for my own self as an example, that I, went through premenopause and menopause many years ago with zero side effects, zero symptoms. I still don't have any symptoms. I feel vibrant and alive, and I have energy and strength and vitality like I did when I was 30, to be honest with you. And I've been working on some new things to work on wrinkles. Oh my gosh, it's super cool. And even aging spots and it's really beautiful and rejuvenating, again, the eyes, hair, skin, and nails, and body and systems. And it is super fun and incredibly powerful. So I just wanted to share this with you in case you're interested in joining us for the 33-day Art of Receiving, how to become unfuckable with, and upgrade all of your systems so that you can feel happier, healthier, and will reverse the aging process for you and restore and rejuvenate your body and fill it with more light and love and illumination than you realize is even, well, it's not, you don't realize it from the human mind perspective, but if you're listening from your soul's perspective, then you're hearing me, yes? Anyway, just want to wish you love and light and peace and joy, and I would love to meet you in person, and I would love to have you join in a class or do a one-on-one personal session with me, because we will upgrade your entire body, mind, heart, spirit, and life, oh, and your finances, and help you create a life that you absolutely love and dream of. So my name is Johnna. Please reach out. Love to meet you, and sending you infinite amount of blessings and love and financial prosperity and a body and a life that loves you and nurtures you. And we say thank you, thank you, thank you. And I send you love. Mwah. Thanks for joining me.